welcome back to the channel. It's Christmas time. It's my favorite season of the year, and today we're gonna go and do a very simple, easy keto cookie recipe. We're gonna make vanilla moon cookies, super easy to make. And if you're new here, my name is Yvette, and we actually create videos how to start keto, how to set you up for success, and how to actually make this into a lifestyle instead of a constant dieting. And for that reason, we created a super awesome 6 weeks program. This is a coaching program where we take you step by step, not knowing anything about keto, to the point that actually you are successfully doing keto for health or weight loss. So definitely check that out. And now let's get baking. As far as ingredients goes, you only need a few things: 2 egg yolks, 150 gram of almond flour, 50 gram of sweetener, this is xylitol, baking powder, a little bit of cinnamon, vanilla extract or aroma, anything you have, 65 gram of softened butter, and for the decoration, powdered sweetener. If you don't have one, then what I did, I used my step mixer and basically I made it into this powder form, or you can use your coffee grinder. And of course you need baking paper, and I would highly advise that you actually get a cookie box like this, because then your cookie actually really gonna get a good consistency and texture. But that's all. Now we're gonna mix everything together in the bowl, and yeah, very simple. And now you just really mix everything together in a bowl, and I will put all the measurements into the description box below so you can check it out even if you are in the US. You only need a pinch of cinnamon, so that's enough. And this is just a bit more vanilla. All right, and now we combine everything together. Make sure that it's really well combined. We are going to use the oven wire shelf, and we place a baking sheet on top. And then we are gonna shape small moon-shaped cookies. You can adjust them a little bit so they actually really turn into a moon. First, preheat your oven for 160 degrees or 320 Fahrenheit. And now we are going to bake the cookies for about 15 minutes. The 15 minutes is over, but they are not really brown yet, as you can see. So we will wait a little longer until they are slightly brown. Now they achieve this nice brownish color, as you can see, and at this point they are very soft, so you should just let them fully cool down. They will harden, and then we're gonna decorate them with icing sugar. And now they are cooled down, so you can decorate them with icing sugar. We're gonna use powdered xylitol for that, just like this. And now we are going to place them into the box. I put in a baking paper, and now you just place them inside to your box, one by one. And here you go. If you enjoyed this video and you like the cookies, then definitely smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.